The National Electrical Code, specifically Section 406.5b in the 2020 edition, addresses receptacle orientation, but the stipulations depend on the environment. In wet or damp locations, receptacles must be installed with ground fault circuit interrupter protection, often abbreviated as GFCI, for personnel. This necessitates that the receptacle is installed with the ground prong facing up. The reasoning for this is that the ground prong serves as a crucial safety measure, creating a path for electrical current to flow to ground, thus protecting individuals from potential electrical shocks. However, the code takes a different stance for dry locations. In these settings, the code does not mandate a specific orientation for the receptacles. The decision of whether to install the ground prong up or down becomes a matter of preference or adherence to particular schools of thought. There are two main perspectives regarding the orientation of receptacles in dry locations. One perspective advocates for installing receptacles with the ground prong facing upwards. This is considered the safer approach, as it offers a consistent method of reducing the risk of electrical shock, irrespective of the environment. The other perspective favors installing receptacles with the ground prong facing downwards. This is often considered the more conventional option because it may be perceived as easier to plug cords into receptacles when the ground prong is in the downward position. Ultimately, the choice of receptacle orientation in dry locations rests with the installer or the end user. Nonetheless, it is imperative to be cognizant of the potential safety implications associated with each option. The code's prescription on receptacle orientation varies depending on whether the location is wet or damp versus dry. While wet or damp locations necessitate installing the ground prong upwards, dry locations afford flexibility in the orientation. A thorough understanding of the safety risks associated with each orientation is vital in making an informed decision. Firstly, consider the safety aspect. The ground prong's function is to provide a low impedance path for fault current to return to the source, tripping the circuit breaker and cutting off power in the event of a ground fault. When an appliance or tool experiences a ground fault, meaning a live conductor comes into contact with the metal chassis, the ground wire connected to the ground prong provides a path for the current to flow back to the electrical panel. This high current flow causes the circuit breaker to trip, interrupting the circuit and preventing electrical shock. Secondly, ease of use is often cited. Some people find it easier to plug cords into receptacles when the ground prong is facing down. This can be especially true for older cords or cords with stiff prongs. Also, in some commercial or industrial settings, equipment may be frequently plugged and unplugged. In these cases, the orientation that is easiest for the users may be preferred. Thirdly, aesthetics can play a role, though a minor one. In some installations, the orientation of the receptacles may be chosen to create a more visually appealing appearance. This is entirely a matter of personal preference and has no bearing on safety or code compliance. It is important to remember that electrical codes are designed to ensure safety and prevent electrical hazards. While the National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides specific requirements for receptacle installation, the decision of ground prong orientation in dry locations often comes down to personal preference or best practice. It's crucial to prioritize safety and consider the specific needs of the installation when making this choice. Always consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns about electrical installations. In summary, when dealing with electrical receptacles, it's imperative to understand the code stipulations that dictate installation procedures. The National Electrical Code, specifically Section 406.5b in its 2020 edition, addresses receptacle orientation contingent upon the environment. In locations classified as wet or damp, the code mandates the use of ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, protection and stipulates that receptacles be installed with the ground prong facing upward. This is to ensure safety by creating a direct path to ground in the event of an electrical fault. However, the code's guidelines shift when dealing with dry locations. In such environments, there is no specific mandate as to which direction the receptacle should face, leaving installers and users to decide based on personal preference or their own understanding of best practices. There are two prominent schools of thought when it comes to dry location receptacle orientation. The first suggests consistently installing receptacles with the ground prong facing upward, regardless of the environment, as a precautionary measure. The second school of thought considers installing receptacles with the ground prong facing downwards, often deemed a more conventional method due to the perceived ease of plugging in cords. Each choice presents distinct advantages and potential risks. For instance, installing receptacles with the ground prong upward provides a consistent safety protocol, ensuring that the ground connection is always readily available in the event of an electrical surge or fault. This approach streamlines the installation process, eliminating the need to adjust practices based on different location types. Installing receptacles with the ground prong downward, while commonly practiced, can introduce challenges in ensuring consistent safety measures. The primary concern lies in the potential confusion or oversight in wet or damp environments, where the upward orientation is required. Moreover, the perceived ease of plugging in cords may not outweigh the potential risk of electrical hazards. The ground prong's function is to provide a low impedance path for fault current to return to the source, tripping the circuit breaker and cutting off power in the event of a ground fault. When an appliance or tool experiences a ground fault, meaning a live conductor comes into contact with the metal chassis, the ground wire connected to the ground prong provides a path for the current to flow back to the electrical panel. This high current flow causes the circuit breaker to trip, interrupting the circuit and preventing electrical shock. The importance of proper receptacle installation cannot be overstated, especially in the context of electrical safety. Electrical codes are designed to minimize the risk of electrical hazards, and adhering to these codes is essential for protecting individuals and property from potential harm. When dealing with electrical receptacles, it's imperative to understand the code stipulations that dictate installation procedures. This understanding allows for informed decision-making regarding receptacle orientation, taking into consideration the specific needs and risks associated with each environment. Furthermore, consistent adherence to safety protocols, such as installing receptacles with the ground prong upward, reinforces a culture of safety and promotes the prevention of electrical accidents. In conclusion, while the National Electrical Code provides specific requirements for receptacle installation in wet or damp locations, the decision of ground prong orientation in dry locations often comes down to personal preference or best practice. However, it's crucial to prioritize safety and consider the specific needs of the installation when making this choice. Always consult with a qualified electrician if there are any questions or concerns about electrical installations. Remember, a well-informed decision regarding receptacle orientation can significantly contribute to creating a safer environment for everyone. While personal preference and ease of use often influence receptacle orientation in dry locations, safety considerations should always take precedence. By understanding the function of the ground prong and the potential risks associated with different orientations, individuals can make informed decisions that minimize the likelihood of electrical accident. Moreover, promoting a culture of safety and consistent adherence to electrical codes can significantly contribute to creating a safer environment for everyone. Always prioritize safety and consult with qualified professionals when dealing with electrical installations to ensure the well-being of individuals and the protection of property.